What is going on, everybody? DJ Mines here. So today we are looking at the Goldshell wallet. Look how cool this is. And first we're going to go with the unboxing. A closer look at the back. You can see Goldshell wallet. It comes with a USB-C, a recovery sheet ×3, user guide, card tray, eject pin. All right, so I've seen this on like Geek of All Trades and Brandon Coin's channel, so I've never actually got a chance to look at it. So this is our first unboxing together. As always, Goldshell does a great job with packaging. It comes with a cool model, and you can see the card tray eject pin, which will go on the side of our wallet, and then the product structure just says the SD slot, the alert light button. Then you can see the product structure, which has 4 pieces here, which is SD card slot, alert light, power button, and USB port. And for the product structure, you see camera and fingerprint authenticator, which I did not think this would have. And a little bit more information for you, the warranty, it does last for 1 year. And we are greeted with some really cool stickers. I can see some of their ASICs and some Doge stuff. This is what your Goldshell wallet will look like. And we're gonna go ahead and pop the seal, and voila, look at that. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Behind the actual device itself, again, awesome logo here. I love this. This is so cool. You will be greeted with a recovery sheet, so you can write down what your seed phrase is, or I guess recovery sheet. Never seen this before. This is actually really neat, because you usually have to write these down on like a piece of paper or like a notepad or something. So I really like this idea, actually. And behind that is our cable to power everything up. This has the standard USB and then also USB-C on the other side. And this is the back side of it. It said there was a fingerprint scanner and a camera, so really interested to see how this works. Okay, so now that I have my seed phrases in, I have to say that was super cool, pushing all the seed phrases like that. Kind of remind me of like a Game Boy or like a, I don't know, a smartphone or something. It was really cool. So never seen that before. So just kind of pick your wallet name. I'm gonna name mine DJ. How about that? DJ, cool. And then we're just gonna hit accept here. And then you have to set a pin. So obviously I'm not gonna show you my pin. And then it approved me. So now it wants to use my fingerprint. I'm actually going to choose to skip this because I do not want to give out my fingerprint, and the wallet is ready. How cool is that? So now you download the app on your phone, and then after downloading the app, it's going to tell you make a password, etc., etc. At this point, you just go ahead and connect your device. So I'm going to hit yes, I have read it. I did not read it, but you should read it, right? And it's going to say, can you take a picture with your phone? So I'm going to say only this time, not forever. And then it wants to scan my QR code. Okay, so then now I have to go into my wallet, and I'm gonna hit connect app. And so it's gonna give me a crazy looking QR code, and hopefully this can scan this. There we go, it's finding it. Okay, you see 27%. And I feel like my hand's shaking so much. Oh my God, I should have put this on like a flat surface. 72% done, 100% done. It looks like those two are now synced. And then at this point, you're either gonna send or receive. Obviously, I have nothing to send, but like you can see your balance is in USD, or you could do Bitcoin, which again, I don't have any, or Ethereum, or what are other options? USD, there's some more options as well here. So then at this point, you can see your wallet name, which mine is GS Wallet 27C9. And I'm assuming here, I don't know for sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm assuming what you do here goes over there or vice versa. So maybe, I mean, honestly, I don't have any type of Ethereum, right? So it's going to say none or Bitcoin or anything, but I would be able to, you know, see or send or just kind of type in the token that you would want. But again, I don't have anything to send. So I don't think it's actually going to work without me having anything. Totally understandable. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And I got to say, it's actually pretty cool. You know, it's definitely a lot different than I thought it was going to be. I would say it's significantly more higher tech. And again, I'm not going to do the fingerprint, but significantly more higher tech than I ever thought it would be. So yeah, really interesting actually. And this is the size of my hand. I'm probably like a large or sometimes extra large, and you can just see the difference between my hand and this thing. Really cool. So shout out to Goldshell. Thank you for sending me this. So I will put a link in the description below if you're trying to pick up the Goldshell wallet. It's actually pretty cool. So yeah, it's offline-ish, I would assume, but I'm not sure 100% how that works exactly with the phone app connected there, or maybe that's just to get it online the first time, not 100% sure. So if you guys want to pick this up, I'll put a link in the description below, and I don't know if my discount code will work for that, but either way, pick it up. And if you did, you made it to the end of this video, put in hashtag Red Bull. Hashtag Red Bull, that means you made it to the end of the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. DJ Mines, signing out.